Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, then welcome. And today I wanted to show you guys a demon eye look versus a angel eye look. If you want to see how I got this look, then please continue watching and I'll show you. So I'm starting off with a blending brush just like this one, and I'm gonna take this color right here called Cameo. This is gonna be the angel side. I'm just gonna go into my crease, pat it on, and then I'm just gonna dust it. I want to make sure that the brown isn't too deep or dark because we're going to need to add a white color, so we need to fade out this brown. Now taking a flat fluffy brush just like this, I'm going to take this really nice peachy color right here. It's very light. I'm going to apply that onto my brow bone, and I'm going to use tapping motions. Tapping motions will give you that very seamless look. Now I'm taking a lightweight concealer and I'm just going to apply that onto my lid. I'm only going to do like a cut crease. Taking this very thin flat brush, I'm going to go in with the color Topaz right here. Now if you made any mistakes at this point, don't worry because we can always go back and clean it up. So just leave it as is. It's gonna look like a glittery band across your eye like this. With the flat brush, I'm going in with this color right here called Dream. And I'm going to apply that onto the inner part of my eye. And I'm always going to pat it on and not drag it along, just so it's not too rough looking. You can always take some product and then put some in the inner corner as well. With that same flat brush, I'm going to take this color right here. It's a very nice golden color. Taking that color, I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye. And somewhat blend it between the two. This one is way more golden than this one, as you can see. Next, I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and I'm using a pen eyeliner. Make sure that the eyelining is very thin. It doesn't have to be too thick. After I've done that, I'm gonna apply some mascara. And I'm also going to apply mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some eyelashes. I already have applied some glue on these eyelashes. So this is the angel side. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the devil side. I'm going to apply a piece of tape to my eye because I don't want any fallouts to disturb my makeup. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going to leave it on until I'm done with my makeup. So I'm taking the color Rustic and I'm going to apply it to my crease, patting it before I gently brush it over using windshield wiper motions. and I like to drag it to my under of my eye area like that, because then it's gonna look like an eyeliner effect, sort of. So that's why I like to do that. Taking a flat fluffy brush like this, I'm going to go in with this color right here. It's like a white, off-white cream color. And basically I'm going to apply this. I'm going to apply this on my brow bone. Again, using patting motions. You don't want to drag or it will look too rough. Going back in with the e.l.f. concealer, I'm going to apply that onto my crease. I'm going to take it and apply it onto my lid area very gently, and I'm taking it halfway to the crease. You do not want to pass the crease. That's not going to look right. And taking this flat fluffy brush right here, I'm going to take the color black, apply that black color right onto my lid. I'm going to be patting it onto my eyes before actually blending it away. And I'm going to slowly and gently blend side to side like this. And just make sure I get it everywhere on the lid. Taking the color Rustic with that detailed brush, I'm going to apply that on to my lower line. And then I'm going to be taking that black with that detailed brush, and I'm going to also apply that onto my lower line. Basically blending the two colors out. At this point, I know everything looks like a mess right now, but you want to take your same blending brush that you used previously, and you want to kind of blend away the red and the black so it doesn't look so harsh. I'm going to remove this tape, and you see how there's like a lining right here. To remove that, I'm just going to go in with a brush, a fluffy brush, a powder brush, and I'm just going to remove all of that excess off by blending. So now you want to apply some mascara to the other eye as well. Do not forget your bottom lashes. So now I'm just going to apply lashes, the same lashes to the other eye. And again, I'm going to apply the lashes the same way I applied the other ones, which is underneath instead of on top of the actual lash. Just like that. Now for the last step, you want to apply some eyeliner on your waterline. This time apply black liner. And you're all set. video. If you ended up liking it, please do share it with your friends and family. And if you want more videos like this soon in the near future, then please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until my next video, you guys, stay safe and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.